Hello wonderful people, you are highly welcome to my channel. In today's video I will teach you how to make your broiler grow faster. If you want to know how to make broilers grow faster, there are simple steps you must follow. You consider the genetic makeup of the broiler chicken. Regardless of the broiler strain you get, each has been optimized genetically to reach impressive market weights in the shortest time possible. So this gene we are talking about normally helps when you want to buy your birds. You have to ask them the one that can grow fast, because gene normally help them also to grow fast. If you buy the one that does not grow fast, even though you are feeding them very well, they will not grow fast. So this genetic makeup really helps. It really helps those birds to grow fast. So, broiler can reach market weight within 6 weeks. Yes, they can reach over 2.7 kg in weight within 6 weeks. Before they will reach this weight we are talking about, there is some factors that you need to consider. Number one is creating a favorable environment. Environmental factors such as food, water, and good ventilation have to be provided if you want to get the best result from your broiler chickens. Doing the right thing at the right time, like providing feed and water at the right time, and ensure good ventilation by avoiding overstocking and provide cross ventilation within the poultry house. Number two factors you will consider is carefully select your broilers feed, because feed covers over 70% of the total investment in broiler farming. If you are buying a commercial feed, please take your time to investigate and research to know the best one that you can buy. If you have the nerves to go into feed formulation, then you should secure an excellent feed formula for both the starter and the finisher feed. Number three factors is monitoring your broilers' weight per week to know if they are feeding very well, because the weight you will get in this week will be different from the one that you will get in another week. So when you are monitoring their weight, you will know when they are losing weight, you will know when they are feeding very well, you will know when you put more effort in feeding them, or to know what is causing them losing weight. Number four is keep your broilers healthy to make them grow. Only healthy birds can grow fast. So you will have to take all the necessary precautions to ensure that your broilers are kept healthy. Feeding and giving the right vaccine and keeping close watch to quickly detect any signs of diseases. So your birds, you have to watch them carefully to know when there is diseases, because a healthy birds will also grow fast. If they are sick, it will draw them back. Instead of them getting this kind of weight, having a good weight, they will be reducing because they are not feeling fine. They cannot be able, if they are not feeling fine, they cannot be able to feed very well. So number five is using natural growth promoters. These natural growth promoters are great when you discover what they are and how to use them. Some of these growth promoters are spices that you are already familiar with. Number six of factors to consider is adjusting lighting to get the growth you want. Do you know that broilers can eat round the clock if allowed to? One way to ensure that they are able to eat at night is to provide a dim light just enough to help them find their feed and water, and you will be amazed by what you will get. So when you are giving them feed at night and you provide light for them, the dim one, you will see that they will be doing great. If you have not subscribed to this channel, just do, so that when new video is uploaded, you'll be notified. To my wonderful friends, I love you guys. You people are doing very, very great. Keep on doing the good work. Only God will bless you. Like and share so that other farmers can benefit from this video. Thank you so much.